What's up guys, and welcome to another quick speed test comparison between the Realme 5 Pro versus the Oppo Reno 2F. Both of the smartphones are 8GB of variant, so it's going to be interesting speed test between both of the smartphones. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now as always, it's time to turn on both of the smartphones exactly at the same time, and here we go. Let's see who will be the winner of the first boot up test. For all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to get the latest smartphones comparison, speed test, unboxing and much more. And let's see. Logos are moving around on both of the smartphones. And well, the boot up test won by the Oppo Reno 2F, and the Realme 5 Pro was just right behind with a bit difference. Now as you guys can see, both of the smartphones are up to date, and both of the smartphones also have got 8GB of RAM. Now everything is completely closed up in the background on both of the smartphones, and I'm going to start off by the first application, which is phone dialer. Well, it was about the same on both of the smartphones. Settings, again exactly at the same time, no difference at all. Now moving on towards some third-party application, and the first one we have got Subway Surfers. Both are at the loading, and well, it was pretty much quicker on the Reno 2F. Temple Run 2. Again faster on the Reno 2F here. PUBG Mobile, the most heavier game and one of my favorite game. So let's see who will be the winner of this game. Well, it was slightly faster on the Realme 5 Pro. A good comeback by the Realme 5 Z. Slightly faster on the Realme 5 once again. Color switch. It was exactly at the same time. Fruit Ninja. Again a bit quicker on the Realme 5. Plant vs Zombies. Well, it was a bit quicker on the Reno 2F. Pen Out. Exactly at the same time. Smash Hit. Again quicker on the Realme 5 Pro. YouTube. Again slightly faster on the Realme 5 Pro. So guys, it was a speed test comparison between the Realme 5 Pro versus the Oppo Reno 2F. And as you guys saw here, it was a tough competition between both of the smartphones. At starting point, the Reno 2F was winning every single test, but after that, every single test won by the Realme 5 Pro. So if you are using the Realme 5 Pro and you are looking to upgrade toward the Reno 2F, so I think you should skip that, because as you guys saw here, the Realme 5 Pro performance was better as compared to the Reno 2F. Also, both of the smartphones have got quad camera setup, and in my next video, I will do camera comparison between both of the smartphones. So if you guys have any question regarding these two smartphones, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching our videos, and keep supporting us.